Hi, my name is Caitlin Meyer. I am a sociology major with a coaching minor. I am considered a senior at Winona State. I am from Holmen, Wisconsin, and I am taking this course because it's my last course to complete my minor. Here's my I Am a Mover video. First, I'm a mover because I am a sibling. I am the oldest out of my family. I have a brother who is 8 and a sister who will be 6. We like to do a lot of sporty things together. That first picture, we went to a Wisconsin Badgers game. Um, the second picture is us at the Oktoberfest parade. And the third picture of us together is we did the 5K run walk in Onalaska. My brother is involved in a lot of sports like basketball, baseball, and swimming, and my sister is involved in gymnastics and dance, and she also likes to try other things. You'll often find us out in the yard playing different sports. Um, but we try to support each other in the sports that we do participate in. Um, Mine we'll get to later, but I try to get to all of their activities as much as possible. So there, with that, I also am into sports. I played basketball all through elementary, middle, and high school, and I played 1 year in college at Bethany Lutheran College in Mankato. I now coach basketball. I'm currently coaching the seventh grade girls at Holmen. Um, I also am in a dart league. That's the bottom picture there. I like to play darts, and I feel like I'm pretty good at it. I also enjoy doing 5K run walks. That third picture there is me doing the Maple Leaf Oktoberfest 5K run walk 2 years ago now. And I do a couple other ones throughout the year. And then finally, I play on a summer league softball team. Um, I also sub for a couple volleyball teams throughout the summer. I try to stay pretty active. I'm also a mover because I like to travel. That first picture was taken in the air on my way to Arizona a couple years ago. I typically go to Arizona at least once a year. That second picture is of me. Me and my best friend went to Duluth. I like to travel around Wisconsin and find new things to enjoy. That first bottom picture is me and my dad at a Garth Brooks concert. I enjoy going to country concerts, country music concerts, and that'll definitely be in the near future of things that I will be doing. And even though I haven't really traveled as far, that next picture is of me in France. I went there the summer between my sophomore and junior year of high school, and I would like to travel more. It's not in my plans right now, but definitely looking to make those plans. And that last picture is me and a group of friends. We went to Vegas this last March, and we definitely have that in the plans to take another trip out there. And finally, I'm a fun person to be around, and I'm a friend. Um, that first picture on the bottom there is me at our local mud bogs. It's something that I really enjoy doing. Sadly, they are no longer a thing, but I do enjoy being outdoors and campfires and different things like that. That first top picture is me up on Granddad's Bluff. Throughout the summer, me and my best friend and me and a couple of my other friends tend to go up there and do some hiking and, just enjoy each other's company. We try to find things like that to do instead of sitting around the house. The second bottom picture is me and one of my friends. His name's Zach. Him and his wife got married this 2 summers ago now. But it's kind of the age where all of my friends are starting to get married and have kids and stuff. So I'm pretty active doing that being a good friend. And that top picture is just me and my best friend. I talked about her a lot in the video. So now you can kind of see who that person is that I do everything with. But that is my I Am a Mover video. Again, I'm Caitlin Meyer, and I look forward to getting to know all of you throughout your I Am a Mover videos and throughout the class. Thank you.